how to close your Wise account and withdraw remaining balance. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get through your balances and select each currency and click send to transfer all remaining funds to your external account, right? So like I said, simply tap on the send icon right here and then tap on transfer in order to like withdraw all of your money out of your account. So after doing that, delete any of your saved bank cards and recipient information under the recipients. And after doing that, so in order to do that, you can simply tap on the card icon right here. You'll be able to see remove it. You can simply remove all of that like that, right? So after doing that, you need to close your account. For that, simply tap on your profile icon on the top left corner, then you'll be able to see settings, tap on that one, then simply scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see close account. After doing that, select your reason and then tap on confirm, and just like this, you will be able to close your Wise account and withdraw remaining balance. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.